Hi Cynthia, it's Ian. Just a quick video just to say very happy birthday. I hope you have many more and I hope you have a lovely day. All the best. Hopefully catch you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello, Nanay. Happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. Always take care of yourself. Be happy and healthy. Regards to Phil. Bye. Love you.
Hi Nanay, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Hope to see you soon. I love you.
Go.
Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you. Hi. Bye.
I love you, Grandma, my sweet Grandma. I hope you healthy, you make me happy.
Hi, Nanay. Happy birthday po. I love you and I miss you. God bless. Mwah.
Hi Nanay, happy birthday po. I wish you love, happiness, and good health always. Happy birthday po. We love you. Ingat po palagi.
Hi po Nanay, happy birthday po. Thank you po sa support na binigay niyo sa amin, lalo na sa akin. Nung pinag-aral niyo po ako from high school up until college. So yeah, thank you po doon. Thank you din kasi kahit malaki na kami, binibigyan mo pa rin kami ng pamasko. So yun, thank you po doon and thank you for everything. I wish you all the best and sana po mas maging healthy pa kayo. Yun po, happy birthday!
Hello po, Nanay. Happy birthday po. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Sana po magkita po ulit tayo here sa Philippines or dyan sa US. Bye-bye po.
Hi, Nanay. Happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po sa iyo is good health and more birthdays to come. And mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng gifts and pagmamahal niyo. Ingat po. Love you.
Ilapit mo pa siya!
Enter password, ayan.
Game. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Nanay! We love you!